All right, kids, it's Friday morning, and we are going to do our weekly check-in for math today. It's the first of two assignments that you're going to have for math. You're going to also have lesson 7, so we can try to keep up with what's going on in this module and stay on schedule for our learning. So the first thing you're going to do is access the the module. I'm sorry, the week 2 math check-in. So you need to go week 2 assignments, you need to go to the math folder, and you click on this Friday Math 2 week 2 check-in link, and it brings you to the week 2 check-in. And it tells you right up front, do your best to follow directions and complete each task on your own. Your performance will help me figure out what you know and don't know so I can plan to help as needed. So you fill in your name. You have some questions here. I'll go ahead and read them to you, and you can pause the video if you need to. It says the parts of a multiplication equation are product times factor equals factor, quotient times factor equals product, missing factor times product equals quotient, or factor times factor equals product. You can feel free to go back and look at videos that from our previous lessons, but this is something that we have studied numerous times. Question 2, factors in a multiplication problem represent the answer, what is being divided, the number of groups, and the size of each group, or the product. And then the third question here, we have Spencer buys 20 strawberries to make smoothies. Each smoothie needs 5 strawberries. Which division equation shows how many smoothies he can make? I would recommend using your math notebook to draw pictures to help you make sense of this. But we've got 4 options, and it's asking you for a division equation. So which division equation? And if you'll remember in our notes and in our studies, this sign here stands for division. So the slash stands for division. So this is 20 times 5 equals 100. 5 divided by 20 equals 4. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Or 5 times 4 equals 20. So you'll make your selection by clicking on the circle. In the fourth question, you have a series of pictures and a question that goes with them. Caesar arranges 12 seeds into rows of 2. Which array represents what he did? Okay, so you've got to pick option 1, option 2, option 3, or option 4. Okay, so you got to make sure you're paying attention to the words 12 seeds into rows of 2. And then the fifth question goes with this, the fourth question, which division equation tells us how many rows are in the problem above? Okay, so we're looking for a division equation. Is it 2 times 6 equals 12? Is it 12 divided by 6 equals 2? Is it 12 divided by 2 equals 6? Or is it 24 divided by 4 equals 6? You have to make your choice for which division equation tells us how many rows are in the problem. Then you're going to come down and answer this basic question, how did you feel about this check-in? Maybe you felt like it was super duper easy. Maybe you felt like it was challenging. Maybe you felt like it was so hard that it made you cry. Maybe you felt like you worked hard on it and you felt like you gave good answers and you felt proud of yourself because of your work and your learning. There are lots of different feelings you might have. I just want you to honestly answer the question, how did you feel about this check-in? And then you click submit once your answers are done, and I get a handy dandy data analysis of how you're doing. This is a graded quiz, so each question is worth 1 point, and we will be updating the grade book to reflect your performance. So just do your best and remember, try to do it on your own. And even if you feel like you don't understand what you're doing, I still want you to do it on your own because it helps me know where you might need some extra help. All right, do your best. I'm super proud of you guys. No matter how you do on this, you are awesome and capable and smart and strong and powerful. And let's have a great Friday.